Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and here let's scroll to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down to find this ringtone section, and as you can see, the ringtone is divided between two different SIM cards, which is quite cool because you can set totally different one for the first one and different for another one. Let me show you how to do it using the first one. It does not really matter, it works the same. After tapping, you will be transferred, or actually we will have this pop-out view with the I forgot the word. With the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top of this option, at the top of this list, we've got the option None, and it simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. Of course, you will be able to see it, but without a sound. And at the very bottom of this list, we've got this Add Ringtone option, which simply means that after tapping on it, we will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded and they will be compatible, your device will allow you to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me set something from the pre-installed options, and basically in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. And basically this is how to check the sound of all of them. And if you will decide that you like this particular ringtone, so for example in my case this Kuma, simply make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.